Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and we click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to restart or to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.